lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Anthea and I am very excited to have you here. Today I am going to be showing you how I make rose water at home. If you have not heard about rose water, it is very good for your skin, it is very good for your hair, and it has numerous health benefits for you. So please guys, stay tuned. And here are a few reasons as to why I love rose water so much. It is anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, it contains antioxidants, and it helps heal cuts, scars, and burns. It is also anti-aging and it smells great. Start by separating the rose petals from the stems. A quick trick is to grab the stem by the base of the rose and give the petals a wiggle. This will save you time because you don't have to pluck each petal individually. You want to make sure that the roses are clean, so give the petals a quick rinse to remove any dirt. Place a heat-safe saucer into the pot, upside down like this. And then place your bowl on top of it, like that, and put the petals around the bowl. Now add distilled water just to cover the petals. Just to cover the petals, because if you put too much, you are going to dilute your rose water. This method will give you two types of rose water. The first will be in the small bowl inside the pot, and this is the purest form of rose water, and it is formed when the water simmers, steam collects onto the glass lid, then is turned into liquid and drips into the glass bowl underneath. The second is the one in the pot with the rose petals. It is not as pure as the first one, but it still has numerous benefits and uses. Cover with a glass lid, place it upside down, that way you can put ice on top of it, which will help to speed up the distillation process. Now that steam has started to form on the glass lid, as you can see, place your ice on top and simmer until the petals lose color completely. This process will take about somewhere between 20 to 45 minutes. So let's wait. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so and tap that little bell on the right to turn on notifications so you'll be always updated when I post a new video on my channel. When ready, switch off the heat, remove the glass lid and the glass bowl, and set everything aside to cool down completely. Pour the hydrosol that collected in the small container into a dispensing bottle, for example, a spray bottle. Use the rest by straining the rose petals from the water. Pure rose water is perfect to use as a toner, and to use it, apply it directly onto cleansed skin before you apply a serum and a moisturizer. Though this other rose water is not as pure as the previous one, it also has so many benefits and so many various ways that you can use it. You can use it as a hair rinse, you can use it as a medium for mixing powdered masks, you can use it to set makeup, and you can use it to make tea, which is very beneficial for your health, and it can be used as an ingredient for cooking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, especially till the end. If you did like it and if you like my other videos, please do not forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment below. Have yourselves a lovely time. Please take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and Feel beautiful today.